flow, far from authentic. The all gimmick, seen too many small niggas get large.
Hey, welcome back guys. Samsung usually refreshes its Galaxy Watch series around August, which is coming by soon, and 91 Mobiles and Evan Blass brought us detailed looks at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. Watch 5 Pro is said to be the successor to the last year's Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and will be available in black or grey titanium colors in LTE and Bluetooth-only versions. It will be available in 45mm size, while the Watch 5 is shown in its 44mm size, though we can also expect a smaller 40mm version to be available at launch. Watch 5 will be available in black, blue and white colors. The backs of both watches confirm Sapphire Crystal displays, and we can also see 5 ATM water resistance and onboard GPS. There are 2 buttons on the side as well as a microphone. Both watches will boot Google wearOS 3.5 with One UI Watch 4.5 on top. According to Deal and Tech, the Galaxy Watch 5 will be slightly cheaper than its predecessor. The Watch 5 40mm BT-only version will go for €259, while the 44mm version will ask €286. The Watch 5 Pro's price tag will supposedly be €430 for the 45mm BT-only version, which is a slightly price bump from last year. The Galaxy Watch 5 series is expected to launch at Samsung's Unpacked event alongside the Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip foldables, as well as the new Galaxy Buds Pro wireless. That's it for now. See you in the next one.